what's up, y'all? It's your girl Shay Skylar, and I'm back with another video. So beautiful, beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Oh, so what's up if you're returning to my channel, and what's up if you're a new subby? Thank you for coming to watch my videos. I truly appreciate it. So today I'm going to be doing part 2 of the HERAREMY hair wig review. So if you see my first video, I'll link up here. I reviewed their Nisha wig. So today I'm going to be reviewing their Indigo wig in a 1B. If you don't know about HERAREMY hair, they sell high quality synthetic wigs. You can heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. They are super soft. I reviewed them several times. I love their wigs. This is actually the Nisha wig that I have on right now. And like I said, the next one is going to be Indigo in the color 1B. So I'm going to go ahead and take Indigo out of the box. This is the box that she comes in. So Miss Indigo is also a 13x4 parted unit. It comes with their high quality hand tied Swiss lace with a deep center part. So this is how she is looking, and these are her curls. Her curls are beautiful, and I know when I comb these out, they are going to be lovely, okay? Again, this is how the lace looks on her, and this is her part. This is how the inside of the cap looks. So you can see the part here. You have 2 combs that are on the front, and then you have 2 combs that's in the back. You also have your adjustable band here, so you can adjust it to your liking. And like I said, it is a deep part, as you can see, which just makes it so much better. The first one was big head friendly, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the lace on this one and then apply it so we can go ahead and get into her, okay? All right, guys, so I'm just putting it on my head. I already adjusted the cap to my liking. And this is how she looks without me putting any products or anything in the lace. I actually left my comb in the bathroom, so I'm gonna go get her. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and comb her out. I knew these curls were gonna be fluffy. These curls are super fluffy, like with a lot of body. I'm feeling these curls. This is probably about a 16, could possibly be an 18 when I stretch it. This is the length on me, so this is how she's looking. She is very full and has a lot of body. I like this unit a lot. I'm gonna see how she would look like if I put her as a side part. I don't know how I be liking my parts now. Sometimes I like it to my left, sometimes I like it to my right. So this is how she would look as a side. I think I'm gonna wear her as a middle and then put her up with the clip to show you guys how that looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip her back into place. Remember, these are beginner friendly wigs. I'm not using any glues or anything like that. It is optional if you want to lay baby hairs. I'm not going to lay any baby hairs, just so I can show you guys that these are throw on and go units. Now I am going to take my powder and just add a little bit to the lace, but that is it. Go ahead and take my clip, and I'm going to show you guys how you can just, even though there's a part, it is a 13x4 and there's no lace there, but we can go ahead and fix her up real cute. So I really like this unit. It's really cute. This one comes in different colors. I got this one in a 1B, but Indigo comes in a 1, a 1B, a 2, a Cameron Swirl, Velvet Toffee, and also the Warm Mahogany. And the Warm Mahogany, I'm sorry y'all, the Warm Mahogany looks just like the color that I had on in the beginning of this video. So, and I want to show you guys how it looks in the back. Alright, so y'all see all that body in this unit. This is really cute, and you don't have to wear it like this. I just decided to pin it up. Again, you can just wear it in the middle part if you want. It is totally up to you. And remember, you can heat these units up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I wouldn't even put that much heat on these units unless it was a straight hair, and I still wouldn't put it on 400. All right, guys, so this is how this unit looks. You can do it like this, because remember, you can if you want to get technical and you want to go ahead and add the glue the lace all the way down, you can. If you don't want to, it's fine. You see how I just tuck that in and how that thing just blend? Y'all see that? Beautiful, beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl. I'm loving this unit. If y'all loving this unit too, make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, let me know what you think. This is, again, the second part to my HERAREMY hair video segments. If you want to see the first one, you can go ahead and click the link up here. And if you want to see my previous video, I'll go ahead and link that up here with 3 wigs that I reviewed with them before. And this wig will run you $25.50. Again, it's under $26. It's a bang for your buck. The quality is freaking amazing. I haven't, experienced any shedding as of yet. I just pulled them out the box, so y'all know I'm being realistic. But for the curls and for the price and for the quality, this is definitely a hit and not a miss. You'll miss out if you don't purchase. All right, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and please let me know in the comments what you're doing, what you're feeling, how you're liking HERAREMY hair and my video segments. All right, love you guys so much again. Bye.